Such soft lips, sweetie. I try to take care. Hi.
Hi, can I help you?
Okay. All right, it's just a movie.
It is just a movie.
Well,
Actually, you've already helped me. You were my 911 dispatcher a while ago, and you totally saved my life.
I mean, I've definitely been disappointed by crappy movies before, but
My life. I just wanted to thank you.
Oh, that's so sweet. Come on in.
but this one just I've never been affected like this. Oh, sweetie, it's because the first one was so special for us.
So, do you remember that train accident a month ago? Yeah, so I was in that, and
Do you remember your 19th birthday? We went to the theater together and saw it.
That's right.
and you stayed on the line for me while I was injured.
I thought your voice sounded familiar.
Right. Oh my gosh, and it was the first movie with lesbian.
She wasn't just a muse. She was the feeling behind.
Lesbian heroes. I remember it blew our mind.
The whole process, I don't know how I'd make it without you.
Well, thank you so much for coming by, you know.
Yeah. And then we came home. We stayed up all night talking. Yeah.
I don't think I could have made that without you, you know?
That's when we realized that maybe we weren't so straight after all.
I just feel like if you weren't on the phone with me, you know, keeping me like sane throughout the
Yeah. And that's when we realized we could be more nice.
Well, I better get going. You probably have plans,
Oh.
dinner or date.
No, no.
Just stepdaughter and stepmom.
No. Please stay. You know, with my job and stuff and the
Art became something alive.
long hours, like I really don't have that much of a social life, and I'm definitely not dating.
A gentle touch, a shared smile, and a
First kiss was thanks to Abby and Savvy.
With my career and stuff, we don't really get closure like that, so it's really nice that you did that.
some love doesn't need words.
Maybe people watch the sequel.
So,
What? But you're just so wonderful and just so self-sacrificing.
She
Maybe it'll
this isn't appropriate.
it simply becomes art.
encourage them to watch the original and find out how amazing it was.
I see. You deserve to be happy and have like love in your life.
Maybe it'll inspire other stepmoms and stepdaughters.
I think you deserve this. I mean, I am just so thankful for you and
then the
I felt an instant connection. Like, how can you not feel instantly connected to someone that saved